Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your VW Tiguan oil. First, gather your supplies: a new oil filter, fresh engine oil, a drain pan, and a 19mm wrench. Make sure your engine is slightly warm, but not hot, as this helps the old oil flow out more easily. Always prioritize safety by lifting your vehicle securely with a jack and placing it on sturdy jack stands before you begin any work underneath. Now, place your drain pan directly beneath the oil pan. Using your 19mm wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be ready for the oil to flow out quickly. Let the old oil drain completely into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once drained, clean the drain plug and replace its washer with a new one, then reinsert and tighten the plug securely. Next, locate the oil filter housing, usually on top of the engine. Use an appropriate wrench to carefully unscrew and remove it. Take out the old filter element and replace the rubber O-rings on the housing cap with new ones provided with your new filter. Insert the new oil filter into the housing, ensuring it seats correctly. Then, screw the housing back into place and tighten it to the manufacturer's specified torque, typically around 25 Newton-meters. Finally, it's time to add the new engine oil. Consult your owner's manual for the exact type and capacity, typically around 5.5 liters for a Tiguan. Pour the oil slowly into the filler cap. After adding, wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick, ensuring it's between the minimum and maximum marks. Start the engine briefly to circulate the oil, then turn it off and recheck for any leaks around the drain plug or filter housing. Dispose of the old oil responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.